WASP were trained to pilot everything from the Stearman biplane to the B-17 Flying Fortress. Aircraft similar to those piloted by the WASP have been restored and now appear in air shows around the country. Just like male combat pilots, WASP trained in the North American T-6 Texan, known as the Pilot Maker. A favorite of many WASP was the single-seat P-51 Mustang, a fighter bomber used for long-range missions and to escort bombers in raids over Germany. WASP ferried hundreds of P-39 fighters to the West Coast, where they were brought to Russia for use by the Soviet Air Force. WASP trained to pilot multi-engine aircraft such as the B-25 Mitchell, a twin-engine bomber used successfully throughout all theaters in World War II. WASP also piloted the B-24 Liberator, a long-range, heavy bomber used in both the European and Pacific theaters. WASP ferried the Boeing B-17, by far the most well-known bomber of World War II. The definitive heavy bomber of World War II was the B-29 Super Fortress. Several WASP trained to pilot the aircraft and demonstrate its safety and flying abilities to male pilots. The B-29 is most remembered as the aircraft that dropped the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.